Hey guys, this is Haider from Motor Information System Hyderabad, and I'm going to show the people how to set the timing of a diesel engine. Thank you. First I'll explain you the components. This is the main crank pulley from where the power comes out from the block. This is the pulley which transfers the engine power to the Bosch pump. You can see exactly in the rear of this pulley, you can see the Bosch pump here. This is the Bosch pump, which is nothing but can be called as carburetor in some guys language, or we can call as FIP. So this pulley is just to transfer the power from this main pulley to the Bosch pump, so that it should pass the fuel to the cylinders. Okay, 3 pulleys has completed now, and this one is just to maintain the stability of the crank. These 2 pulleys, if we remove these 2 pulleys, no problem, the engine can be used. No decrease in the fuel economy and no decrease in the power, but this is just to maintain the stability of the crank, these 2 pulleys. And this pulley is for oil pump. This cannot be removed. So while setting the timing of the engine, we need to set the timing of oil pressure pulley, oil pump pulley, Bosch pump pulley, and then the main crank pulley. So to set the timing of the Bosch pump pulley, we definitely have to set the timing of this transfer pulley. Okay, so for that we'll start with the crank pulley. So you can see the number 55 here, 55, that should match with this 5. Okay, this 5, this teeth should rotate and come back in between these 2 5. Right now the timing is been mismatched by some other mechanic or by itself, I don't know. I'm going to set it now. Okay, so it's done. So if we remove this, either this or either this pulley, and if we put this teeth in between this, if we put this teeth in between this, the timing has been set. So for transfer case pulley should come between these 2, that one. This teeth with number 1 should come in between these 2 teeths with the numerical 1. This is how the timing has been set for transfer pulley and oil pressure pulley. And for these 2, no timing is not required, but if you wish, you can do in the same way. You can see 2 dots, and you can see 1 dot for that one. You can see here 1 dot. This should match these 2. This both should come here on this teeth. This is how the tensioner pulley timing will be set. And then for setting the timing of Bosch pump, it is bit tricky, but it's not hard. I'll explain you. Hope I can cover the video. So for that, after setting that, it doesn't have a dots like kind of thing on pulley. You can see there is nothing printed here or marked here. then you have to rotate and find out slightly broken. I'll show you that teeth. It's here, it's right here. You can see the difference. You can see two arrows here. You can see two arrows here. This one, this arrow. This is non-turbo arrow, and this is turbo arrow, which is this one, this teeth. And this is broken teeth. All teeth are similar. The one will be different. This one, it will be slightly broken. That is a mark for Bosch pump pulley to set the timing. So that should be placed on the downward arrow. Here is the arrow for non-turbo. For turbo, it should be fixed. It should be placed. This pulley should be placed on that arrow, which is right. Okay, so at the end, we need to set the timing of the chain, which passes the power via this transfer pulley to the head. Head will be on this position, and you can see the two black portions of the chain should be on the top, and the one should be in the rear, exactly down. And the two should be up. So this is how you will be able to crank the engine, and you'll be able to start the engine. If you miss any point in between these pulleys, then you will not be able to start your engine. Alright, so as you can see, the head has been placed above the engine block, and the timing chain has been fixed as I instructed earlier. You can see the two black pieces, the two black joints are above and one at the lower, and this thing will be fixed to the camshaft. This is called as camshaft.